When you think of cruisers, you probably picture the usual suspects: Harley, Honda, Yamaha. But what if I told you that one of the most exciting new cruisers doesn't come from any of those brands? Meet the 2025 CFMoto 450CL-C, a bike that blends classic style with modern tech without the premium price. With an MSRP of $5,799, could this be the middleweight cruiser that shakes up the game? Let's find out. CFMoto has a way of making bikes that stand out, and the 450CL-C is no exception. It has a polished fuel tank, brushed aluminum panels, and a low slung profile that just looks right. The round LED headlight, pure retro charm. And the dual chamber exhaust, coated in matte ceramic with etched CLC branding, gives it a modern high-end touch. Wide upright handlebars and a contoured leather seat treated with pinstripe retro technology make this bike as comfortable as it is stylish. Under the sleek exterior, you've got a 449cc parallel twin with a 270-degree crankshaft. That means you get the character of a V-twin, but with the smoothness of a parallel twin. With 40 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 30 pound-feet of torque at 6,250 RPM, this bike has plenty of low-end and mid-range punch. Exactly what you want in a cruiser. And thanks to the dual counterbalancers, you can enjoy that power without the annoying vibrations. This bike isn't just about looks. CFMoto packed a ton of features and some impressive tech despite being extremely affordable. You get a TFT display with a 3.6-inch round TFT screen that keeps things clean and modern, with Bluetooth, live diagnostics, and security alerts through the CFMoto RideSync app. You get a full LED setup headlight, taillight, and signals, giving you sharp visibility and a sleek, modern touch. The Gates belt drive, less maintenance, smoother power delivery, and a quieter ride compared to a chain. You get a CFSC slipper clutch, lighter clutch pull, and smoother downshifts, so you stay stable even under hard braking. Dual channel ABS and traction control means extra confidence, especially on wet roads. This bike is designed to be welcoming for all riders. With a 27-inch seat height and a 399-pound curb weight, it's light, well-balanced, and easy to maneuver. At 5'2" 3/4" with a 27-inch inseam, I feel right at home on it. Honestly, it's one of the most short rider-friendly bikes I've ever tested. The wide swept-back handlebars and the mid-set foot pegs give you a relaxed yet controlled riding posture, making for a comfortable ride whether you're cruising through town or stretching out on the open road. Rolling on 16-inch alloy wheels with contrast cut spokes, the 130/90 front tire and 150/80 rear tire provide solid grip and stability, making it feel planted whether you're cornering or cruising. Let's hear it, because what's a cruiser without a solid exhaust note? The 2025 CFMoto 450CL-C proves that you don't need a big name or a big budget to get a stylish, capable cruiser. It's got the look, the feel, and the tech to compete without the premium price. So, what do you think? Would you ride the 450CL-C? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle content. And if you're in the Washington area, come stop by Cycle Barn and say hi. We got tons of bikes, tons of ATVs, side-by-sides, so whether it's 2 wheels or 4, we got you covered.